if not, then I'm screwed, and that's life, you know? That's life. It's not always Gucci. Most of the time it is, but sometimes it's not. So anyways, yeah. So I'm just gonna, you know, you're just gonna apply a lot of glue like that. And oh shit, I just didn't remove that one. Oh, I just literally burned myself, and no, this was not on purpose. So yesterday I've seen Rihanna'S Instagram, and let me just say, she literally dominated Instagram like any other time. Honestly, this was nothing new, but I'm just being dramatic, if you know what I mean, if you will. And so yeah, of course I've seen that really pretty image of her, and then I decided to obviously remake that, because what else am I going to do? Nothing, obviously. You know, I'm bored like that. Everyone is in New York Fashion Week and I'm here in LA, so I'm gonna be going right now to downtown, and yeah, BRB, you guys. Totally forgot to take you guys with me. Okay, so we're in the car and we're ready to go to downtown, and yeah, today is gonna be a good day. And yes, I am still pale as hell. I have no hope as of right now because summer is gone, you guys. It's pretty gray outside, and it is what it is. So I guess we're going to do a tanning video just like in a few days from now. So yeah, as of right now, you guys are gonna stay tuned, and we're gonna drive all the way to downtown, and that is pretty much it. That's all I have to say, really. Nothing else. So you guys, I am heading to my destination, which is this flower store. I think it is a flower store, not really sure, it should be, but yeah, let's see what they have here for my DIY project. Ooh, they found these really cute flowers, and I purchased, as you guys can see, a lot of them because I'm gonna need a lot of them. And yeah, look at these. So I'm back in the car with my 1,000 flowers, you guys, safe and secure in this box. Well, not really 1,000, but it's like a dozen, and each one have like 11, you know. So do the math. I'm not really good at that right now. So yeah, right now I'm gonna go to find, I need like a shirt that's like off the shoulder. So hopefully I can find one in Forever 21, and then if not, then I'm screwed. Yay! And yeah, so wish me luck, you guys. I mean, because that's, yeah, it was so dumb to actually buy the flower before I'm getting the shirt. So I don't know what my life is like right now, but we shall see. I should have known better. So I'm still in downtown, and I'm just really hoping, you know, to find this shirt like off the shoulder kind of a thing with like, you know, like a long sleeve, maybe something like that. I don't know if that would be okay. I'm wondering if that's gonna be okay for me. I mean, it's pretty short, looks like it, but we're gonna see. Maybe I'm gonna buy something, maybe I'm gonna buy a large or an extra large, I don't know. Yeah, so we shall see.
2,000 years later.
So I am back home from downtown, obviously, and downtown was like a really big, you know, failure at the end of the day, because I spent so much time, you know, looking for that right top, and I couldn't find anything. But then I came home to this, and I had this top or whatever, you know, like here. So I tried on, and it's super cute. I would have, you know, I would have do a try on a haul, but like, I mean, it's pointless, you know. So anyways, not only that this is like pink, peach, whatever, so it's actually gonna work pretty well with those flowers. So all I have to do right now with the 1,000 flowers that I have, I basically, thank you. So I'm trying to film. I am trying. Did you guys hear that? See how rude that is? Anyways, thank you, bye. Anyways, from here, I'm gonna take the flowers, and yeah, so basically, I'm just gonna have to rip it off like one by one, and then I'm gonna take my glue, my hot glue gun, and honestly, I just don't know where the glue gun is. Basically, just gonna, you know, glue them like so, with the hope that I have enough flowers to this entire top, because if not, guess what? I'm screwed. So anyways, now yeah, we're gonna wait for the glue to, you know, warm up. And who is she? Ooh, I guess we have a lot of work to do, so I guess I'm just gonna start rip off the flowers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna open them a lot so that it can take more space on the shirt, and then maybe it will be enough. But if not, then I'm screwed, and that's life, you know, that's life. it's not always Gucci. Most of the time it is, but sometimes it's not. So anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna, you know, you're just gonna apply a lot of glue like that. And oh shit, I just didn't remove that one. Oh I just literally burned myself, and no, was not on purpose. So we are back in business. Thank God I'm still alive. And yeah, so I'm applying a lot of, like, you know, glue, as you guys can see. Hopefully I have enough glue. I don't know, we'll see. So now it looks something like that. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, because I'm looking at the monitor, and if you can't, I'm sorry, but it is what it is. It's a low budget movie, okay? Movie? No, it's a tutorial. Yeah, so anyways, I'm just hoping that it will hold like so. By the way, guys, in case you didn't understand, this is a very good idea, you know, for this coming up Halloween. So if you guys would like to be Rihanna girl, there you have it, a custom-made Rihanna costume. Thank me later. Havana, Hunana. Juicy! Do I look like a panda?
Yeah, mustache.
He was thinking, he's like, I'm not sure. So this is what we have so far. This is basically the kind of t-shirt, well, shirt you want to wear when nobody gives you flowers, when you're really, really lonely. You get me? You feel me? So this is what you want to wear. So for orders, you can call me, guys, and place your order, you know, link in bio and all this kind of stuff. Juicy, do you want to try it on? No? No response.
The next day.
So it's the second day actually, and today we are going to shoot the actual cover shoot, and I'm here in Forever 21 because I need to get the necklace, you know, just like she had it, because this definitely will not work. So I'm here and I'm hoping that I can find something similar to what she was wearing, you know. Yeah, I mean, so far nothing seems like the thing that she was wearing, so I'm just hoping that I can maybe, just maybe, find something that looks like it. Well, seems like this is gonna be the only thing that's actually gonna work, so I'm gonna be grabbing that. And we have a winner, and it's right here. So right now I'm gonna go home, and yeah, I think we're gonna get ready.
6.5 hours later.
So I just got here, you guys, and we are here with the Glam Squad. Here's Guy, you already know him from the previous video, and here's Yaniv right there. Is gonna be responsible for my makeup today, and Guy's gonna do my hair today. So what are we doing, Guy?
I can't tell you, you need to see.
Ooh, Who is she? We're gonna snatch some weaves today.
זה מחלקה אחרת, הם לא קשורים אליי בכלל. בגלל זה אני לא נעים לי לבקש מהם כל הזמן טובות.
So we are setting up to do the makeup, and we have those lights and everything, you know, all that jazz. Hi! Okay, you guys, so that is my makeup. Look at this, all snatched. Look at this cheekbone. Ooh, look at that. Right now I'm gonna go to the photo shoot. Thank you, Yaniv, so much for snatching me up like that. And
Thank you.
yeah, we'll see you guys there.
See you guys.
3:28 a.m.
So I just got back home, and as you guys can see, we have those stools. Yeah, I didn't film that, so I'm sorry for that, but it's really the thought that counts. So anyways, from here is my top. So I'm gonna wear it, and we're gonna start shooting. So I'm here in my full effect, you guys, and yeah, I'm here like literally doing my nails with this gold foil, doing the most. Hopefully that's gonna work, and if not, you know, once again, it's the thought that counts. So so I really don't know. I think so. I mean, I should have doing that. Just feel free to do whatever. Yeah.
Okay. And then you literally just press, right?
There you go.
Oh, perfect.
It's not as long as hers, but it's okay. I'm gonna survive. Once again.
Hey, at least they're long.
The thought that
like,
counts.
Exactly. It's like A for effort.
This is a live footage of me trying to seduce a man, you guys. Live footage.
You're dead.
You're trying too hard.
Well, it is what it is. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.
Take
Not
one for the
everybody,
team.
not everybody was born Rihanna.
I'm dead. I wish. Alright. Perfect. So head like I think a bit more back, but then like you're kind of curving it towards me if that makes sense. Yeah, there you go.
I feel like I'm dead. She did it so naturally, like what the hell? What the actual hell?
She
That's actually like perfect though.
she have different attitude.
Okay, perfect, real quick.
Day 3.
So that is the third and the final day, you guys. I actually just got the pictures back from Gabby, and OMG, you guys, look at this. Like, honestly, this is Rihanna, this is me. And no, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that I look, you know, anything like her, but I mean the image itself and the vibe and everything and the flower and the makeup and the hair and all this kind of jazz just look alike, and it's just like so amazing. And as you guys understand, it took me like 3 days to bring this to life, because obviously, as you guys understand, I don't have like a team of like 30 people around me. If anything, I kind of like did my nails, you know, and Rihanna probably had, you know, someone to do her nails over there and all this kind of jazz. And yeah, but I mean, I at that point, honestly, I'm gonna give myself A for effort, D for dedication, and then together we get an ad. Ta-da! I'm still here trying to really get on, you know, Fenty PR list pretty much. So that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. If you guys like this video, then please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below here. And also, if you're already here, then might as well, you're gonna give, you know, hit that bell button right over there. I don't really know what I was about to say. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay Gucci, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.